Hello everyone, my name is Pruss. I'm a head of Technical Operation Division here at GFE Solutions.
Tell us a bit about the equipment you're using.
The specific work we do requires from us to use very specialized equipment. Of course, our tablets and computers, they have to be dust-proof and waterproof, but probably the most interesting tool we use is RealWear Navigator 520. It's a hands-free, voice-operated module that stores all the documentation, all the training videos, even the 3D models. So pretty much everything that our agent may need to access to on site. It can record videos, take high-definition photos. It can have an infrared mode if necessary. And on top of all of that, it allows us to have a real-time video calls during which the person behind the computer can take over the control of the camera. So for us, it's a perfect tool to cooperate with any technical or quality control department.
Did you have any problems implementing this into your service?
Of course we had. Having a top-tier equipment is one thing, but operating it the way we imagined and to make it useful in the various conditions is completely different story. We visit different places. We visit construction sites, factories in remote locations, even some underground compounds. Those places usually don't have internet connection, and if they do, it's limited to office area. It's quite hard to take an expert place in Germany on a video walk around on a construction site somewhere in the middle of forest in Sweden if there is no internet connection.
How did you overcome that kind of problem?
We started with the satellite internet connection. It's already well-known and widely available solution, and it works almost all over the world. But it was just the beginning. Some places that we were sent to were extremely big, and we quickly realized that we need a Wi-Fi infrastructure that would be able to cover this area, to be relatively easy to set up and to scale up it if necessary. And again, that was rather easy to solve. We invested in some Wi-Fi repeaters and internet access points, long range. However, this created another challenge we have to face. All devices like that, they need to be powered up somehow. It's easy when we are allowed to use the existing electrical infrastructures. However, it gets a little bit more complicated when there isn't one yet, or it doesn't reach to the points that we have to go to. That's why we decided that our internet system will be completely independent and battery powered, but we have to make sure that it's mobile enough that our agent can travel with it. We tested a lot of different options, but finally we found a lightweight and small-sized batteries and power stations that can power up our internet system up to 5 hours and can be fully recharged in 1 hour.
Did you find any limitation to your system?
Yes, we did. During the process of testing, we realized that it's not always the matter of just covering a huge area with Wi-Fi. Sometimes it can be a building with reinforced walls or a warehouse full of obstacles for the signal. Mining industry is another good example. First of all, it's underground. It's usually narrow, long corridors, vertical shafts, staircases, generally small places. We have to focus on finding the right equipment and the correct configuration to make sure that we can still operate in those environments. We generally put a lot of effort to make sure that we can provide TechOps services in every factory, in every construction site, even if it's 400 meters underground, and we did it.
What if you end up in a place where your system doesn't work or face the problem that you didn't solve yet?
I expect it to happen sooner or later, but there is almost 50 engineers in GFE Solutions with exceptional problem-solving skills. We faced some challenges before and it hasn't been easy, but we were always able to find a solution. And with a team like that, I'm positive that we will always do.